I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the emoji picker so you can insert symbols quickly. First, place the typing cursor in the field you intend to modify. This targets output. Once done, use the OS shortcut Windows, Win plus period, Mac OS, Control-Command-Space to reveal the panel. If you prefer, right-click and check for an emoji option in contextual menus. This step is essential because it loads categories and search, making the next actions fast and accurate when you now focus on finding the right emoji by searching or browsing. You can type a word like smile or pizza in the picker search field to filter results. This saves time versus scrolling. Alternatively, scan category tabs for faces, animals, or symbols when mood or context matters. Once you see the one you want, click it or press enter to insert it. Make sure to watch how it renders in your app. Some platforms convert emoji to images or text sequences. Finish by adjusting and confirming the emoji fits your message. If you need a skin tone or gender variant, use the modifier menu in the picker before or immediately after insertion. If the emoji appears as an empty box or question mark, make sure the app and OS are updated. Otherwise, paste a supported image or sticker as a fallback. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart the app and try the picker again. This often reloads fonts or emoji tables and fixes rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.